Hi, wanna know how to enable or disable automatic take calls function on your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5? So, as a first step, we would need to open our application which is named Xiaomi Earbuds. Then go to this tab which is named Additional Settings, and here we can see this feature which is named Take Calls Automatically. And this means when you will get any type of incoming call and you'll put your earbuds in your ears, the call will be automatically answered. So here we can enable or disable this feature by clicking on this slider. If it's blue, it's enabled. If it's gray, it's disabled. And now let's also test it. So I'll call myself from another phone and I'll put the earbuds in when I can see that the call is happening right now. So I'm putting my earbuds in. And you can see that the call has been accepted without my hands. And this is a really useful feature for some people, but someone thinks this is just too much. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.